Tiktrove claims to offer a custom-fit denture that gives you the same results as expensive dental procedures that usually cost over $1,600, but without visiting a dentist at all. They promote features like all-day comfort, a natural-looking smile, secure placement, a complete top and bottom set, and no expensive dental bills. They even show a 5.0 rating with over 2,400 reviews, which definitely sounds impressive at first glance. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's slow down and really look at what Tiktrove is offering and whether these claims actually make sense. Dentures are not just cosmetic items, they are medical devices that directly affect your gums, jawbone, bite alignment, and overall oral health. One of the first concerns with the Tiktrove website is that there is no clear mention of FDA approval, ISO certification, or any biocompatibility testing. For something that sits in your mouth for hours every day, this kind of information is extremely important, yet it's completely missing. Another major red flag is that there are no in-person dental exams involved at all. Proper dentures require a dentist or prosthodontist to check gum ridges, bone loss, and how your upper and lower teeth come together. With Tiktrove, everything is done through a mail-order impression kit. There's no professional supervision, no bite analysis, and no clinical fitting, which increases the risk of pain, poor alignment, and long-term damage. The website also uses very vague language to sound professional, throwing around phrases like clinical-grade materials and advanced polymers, but never clearly stating what materials are actually used or what standards they meet. This kind of wording is often used to impress buyers without providing real, verifiable details. Another concern is the potential health risk. Poorly fitted dentures can cause sore gums, infections, difficulty eating, and even accelerated bone loss over time. Many users online report that these dentures feel okay at first, but become loose after a few weeks, making it hard to chew food comfortably. Some people also mention irritation, pressure spots, and ongoing discomfort that doesn't go away. When it comes to reviews, while the website proudly shows thousands of 5-star ratings, most of these reviews are hosted only on their own site. That's a problem because it's very easy for companies to filter or control what appears there. Independent reviews across forums and social platforms are far more mixed. Positive feedback often comes from people with ideal gum structure, while others share much less pleasant experiences. There's also the issue of transparency. The website does not clearly list a company address, ownership details, or verifiable professional credentials. For a dental product, this lack of accountability is concerning. On top of that, the pricing is unrealistically low compared to real dentures made under professional supervision, which makes the offer feel too good to be true. Finally, one of the biggest red flags is how this product is marketed as a replacement for professional dental care. The American Dental Association has repeatedly warned against direct-to-consumer dental products that skip in-person exams because they can lead to serious oral health issues over time. So is Tiktrove Denture legit or a scam? While it may not be an outright fake product, it raises many serious safety and credibility concerns. If you're considering dentures, it's always safer to consult a licensed dental professional rather than trusting an online shortcut that could cost you much more in the long run.